you're talking about this idea of giving me better security, but at the same time, I'm having to sacrifice some convenience. So why, as a user, would I be okay with that trade-off, that paradigm where I'm getting a little bit better security? Great, but at the end of the day, is it my problem? I mean, if somebody breaks into my bank account, yeah, it sucks, but FDIC insurance, SIPC insurance, depending on the type of nature of the financial institution, that's covered. So again, why would I want to degrade my user experience in order to simply give myself better security, which is not even my problem?
Yeah, I think a lot of people feel that way, and it's somewhat unfortunate because fraud is a really big problem. There's just a story about some people that had stolen like millions of credit card numbers and run up millions of dollars worth of charges. Fraud costs the economy billions, perhaps trillions of dollars every year. So that does become everyone's problem because you're having to pay higher fees and insurance and stuff. But if two-factor remains hard to use, then yeah, people are going to be slow to adopt it. Okay. So Twofer has a little different approach, and we try and make it as usable as possible. And our competitive advantage there is that we can automate requests. So, for example, I generally, if I'm going to do online banking, I'm doing it from my house. Mm-hmm. So Twofer uses your phone's location to automatically log you in. So you go in, you enter your username and password. If those are correct, then they call out to Twofer, and Twofer will ask your phone, hey, is Seth in a known location? Okay. And if I am, then it logs me in without me even noticing. I don't have to press anything.
Okay, so it's effectively invisible is what you're saying.
Yes.
Okay.
In worst case, you would only have to pull out your phone and hopefully enter your password. Always use password on your phone. Mm-hmm. And then you would just press allow or deny. So it's still going to be significantly easier to use than something where you have to, read this 6 or 8 digit code that's changing once every 30 seconds or so. Okay. There's something I like to call the two-factor authentication test, and that's, can you walk and be authenticated at the same time? Okay. And with Twitter and Facebook and Google, they're all sending you these little codes. You can't walk and do that at the same time, or
right.
not safely. You'll fall in a manhole cover.
Right.
Guaranteed.
Or fall in a manhole that's uncovered. Right.
Yes, that's true. Sorry. Whereas Twofer...
I'm sure I'd be fascinated in this universe why we should fall into a manhole cover, but it doesn't matter.
I'll teach you sometime.
Okay, I appreciate it. I like that.
So we can, at worst, you're just going to have to press allow or deny. You can do that. Walk in and just boop. But at best, it's going to be automated. And so it'll just hit your phone. It'll find out that you're in a known safe location, and you'll be logged in invisibly.
See, I'd like to change that paradigm slightly. I'd like to say that the Twofer test for true usable security is not if you can walk and authenticate at the same time, but if you can run and do hurdles at the same time. Because I think anytime you'd have to pull something out of your pocket and press yes, you're going to run to the hurdles. So I think that really, if Jackie Joyner-Kersee can do it, she is a hurdle jumper, right? Hurdler?
She was definitely in the Summer Olympics.
Okay, that's good.
She runs.
Otherwise, I would have gone with Kim Zmeskal, but I'm pretty sure she's a gymnast from like 1992.
We'll go with Jackie Joyner.
Okay, fair point.